My name is MJ Johns, and I'm a PhD candidate in computational media at the University of California, Santa Cruz in basket engineering. My research is supported by a generous grant from the National Science Foundation. I'm happy to present my progress towards my dissertation research on building resilience through community-centered gameful design. The core pillar of this project is to work closely with the communities in the Wildland-Urban Interface, where human settlement meets wildland, to understand the problems there and to develop community-focused strategies and solutions that resonate with the experience of people living in those areas. This project bridges social and technological dimensions and leverages community engagement for designing and iterating on the research and artifacts. Within this broad project, my work centers on how games and game-like simulations can be a compelling part of this community engagement. Every year, impacts of climate change and natural hazards such as wildfire destroy homes and lives. This poses a wicked problem of how to help individuals and communities develop resilience. Affected communities have unique perspectives with local knowledge and values about how to address these problems. Yet all too often, solutions are designed from the outside rather than working closely with the communities to understand their experience. Gameful design offers an interactive approach to initiate this community engagement, but it has some challenges that make it underutilized. My research contribution is guided by this framing question of what do games have to offer in attempting to tackle the wicked problems associated with climate change. My first contribution, which is the collection of games designed with specific target communities, is nearly complete. The games are fully playable, and we have published several papers about the process of developing them, and the final phase will be measuring the efficacy of the games as we distribute them to the communities. So now I am focusing my effort on translating what we learned along the way into a framework for other researchers and practitioners. Before going into the details of the framework, it will be helpful to understand how we operationalize resilience from a game design perspective. The first stage of developing community resilience relies on supporting individual change through knowledge, awareness, and behavior. If the game or intervention can impact individual change, then the next stage would be to explore its potential reach within the community through dissemination. The framework itself is divided into 3 sections. The process focuses on community, collaboration, and dilemmas. The product identifies solutions like minigames, discussion, and data. The play, how users experience it, proposes simulation, empathy, and autonomy. My research goal is to develop these into guidelines that can support the development of games and game-like experiences that address various natural hazards beyond wildfire by engaging communities and leveraging different perspectives alongside game design techniques. If you'd like to contact me about this project, you can reach me at mljohns@ucsc.edu or on LinkedIn.